Hello viewers, we'll be going over JNUG and JDST. In this video, we'll be using the day-by-day probability models as our support and resistance. And these models come from previous past trends that are similar to the current trend. Again, these trends are similar but not identical. So let's head back to the technical analysis. On Friday, JNUG was down roughly around 81 basis points. On the 1-hour chart, we're on negative MACD. If we extend that further on the 4-hour chart, we start to see a diverging 4-hour MACD, and we also see a diverging 18 onto, or 9 moving average onto the 18 moving average. If we extend that further on the daily chart for JNUG, we see that the daily MACD is approaching to positive MACD, and if we were to move up higher, so let's head back to the day-by-day probability model. On the 7th day, we have a 0% chance for JNUG to climb higher between 0 to 11%, but let's just mark 11% as our upside potential. So if we head back to the technical analysis chart, if we were to move up higher, that price movement to the upside is roughly around, I would say, it is around a price of $111, and we'll mark that as our first immediate resistance, and that also coincides with past resistance that dated back to, say, March 18. And as for support, if we head back to the day-by-day probability model, we have a 66% chance for JNUG to fall between negative 11% to negative 23%. So if we were to fall negative 3% to the downside, or negative 23% to the downside, that price movement to the downside is roughly around the price of $76, and we also see that is quite near the 50-day moving average, this yellow line, and that coincides with previous support levels around that range as well. So if we head back to the day-by-day probability model once more, we have a very extreme case, a 33% chance for JNUG to fall between negative 23% to negative 35%. Again, this is on the extreme case. So the worst case scenario, if we do fall negative 35%, that price movement to the downside will be around a range of, say, it is around the price of $63.60. And we also see previous support levels around that range that even dated back to April 13th all the way to April 21st. So let's head to JDST and examine the technical aspect of it. On Friday, JDST closed above 44 basis points, and if we do manage to reverse higher, we also see a possible resistance being around the 18-day moving average, and that was also previous support levels. And since we're below support, that now act as our resistance, and that is around a price of $24.30. And if we were to move up higher, that price movement to the upside is roughly around 13%. As for support, we saw previous all-time lows made back in May 20th, and if we do manage to reach that lows, that is roughly around 10% to the downside. So again, these models are now available in the link below, so do check it out. If you enjoy this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.